Oil prices surged higher today, following the news about another missile attack by the Houthi group on a container ship in the Red Sea. Crude oil briefly topped the level of $81 a barrel. As a result, Brent benchmark rate not only climbed above the landmark level of 80 for the first time since early December, but also settled at these highs. If the rally is extended, the Brent price will hit for resistance at $83. Further developments in the Red Sea will mostly determine the next trajectory in the oil market. However, weekly update on the US crude inventories may also make its impact. US crude stocks are expected to shrink by 2,600,000 barrels last week, and this is an estimate for a weekly report by the US Energy Department that will be released tomorrow. And today, the American Petroleum Institute is due to report its statistics, but the forecast is unavailable. If the data looks a decrease in inventories, oil prices are likely to make a new attempt to surpass the level of $81 a barrel. Since the end of the last week, gold has been trading steadily at about $2,060 per ounce. A market has not been able to click into gear even despite some weakness in the US dollar. Apparently, the precious metal is set to trade this way until the new year unless sensational controversial news known as the back swings pops up. The ruble regained its footing yesterday, though it was a modest advance. Nevertheless, the ruble is still trading above 91 against the dollar, and the culprit for the ruble's weakness is a poor red-hot economic data. The industrial production data, which is due later today, is likely to show a decline in Russia's industrial output to 4.5% from a 5.3% months ago. Retail sales could have slipped to 11.6% from a 12.7%. No wonder that market participants shifted the blame for a slowdown in the Russian economy to the central bank. Meanwhile, the Bank of Russia has been pursuing extremely aggressive monetary tightening. Moreover, it signals the intention to go ahead with more rate hikes. Such monetary policy overshadows the prospects of economic developments in Russia. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. And see you soon.